They want to get more. Put it slide on. Put it slide on. You know, but we can find on. Put it slide on. Put it slide on. One we can find on. You know, but one we can find on. Put it up in the Italy of find. Like a timer. Why press when you speak with the silence? Why you make me say you go online now? Why did you bring it from the phone line now? When you press it put good I know. When you got it up I don't know I know. Why did just because of this right now? I'm put it inside now. You don't go there. That's right now. That girl come right on. Just because of this right now. You don't go there. Put it inside now. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. She put me down, but she because she's party. You want me to call me, call you back. She can just ask for my coffee. You God, you want to stand when you would go to face, bang the person mountain. Take your space on the guy, can't do that. But let me tell you, I'm fun with the man, I'm coming out, no problem. All right. That's what you slip on, she slide on. I'm simple, she slide on. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. Just slip on, she slide on. I'm simple, she slide on. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. Hey. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. She thinks I do. They want to get on right on. They want to get on right on. You know, but one no we can find out. You know, but one no we can find out. Hey, one no we can find out. You know, but one no we can find out. But enough we don't make any provider. Alright. Don't waste your static like a time. And what? Press when you speak, but just time. And what? Say you go online now. Alright. Then you say she did put good time. When you talk it up, I don't know, I know. Alright. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. This is what I keep right on. This is inside on. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. She put me down, but she because she's party. You want to bring me call you back. She can just ask for my coffee. You God, you want to stand when you would go to place like the person mountain. Take your space on the guy, can't do that. But let me tell you, I'm fun with one, I'm don't come here, turn no frown. Alright. That's how she slip on, so she slide on. Alright. Push it slide on. Alright. That girl come right on. That girl come right on. That's how she slip on, so she slide on. I'm gonna push it slide on. Alright. That girl come right on. Big up to Massacre. I'm going to call him Massacre, and then your Massacre again. In your Massacre. My dear, Mr. People, we have good. My record this because I can put it on all of my social media. Them. Hold on, people. Hold on. Right. All right, all right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Listen to me. We wake up in a good spirit in the mighty name of Jesus. Big up to Jesus every time, and big up to patience. You understand? Because I'm telling you, the good Lord said, my child, you should be waiting on a good news. So I tell you, say, I never regret joining Deriv, none at all. How long me there with Deriv now? About 2 years? Yeah, something like that. And I'm telling you, they have come a long, long way. Hallelujah.
Listen to me. There's a patience is the key. So 2 years ago, when they had their 25th anniversary, we went to DR for their 25th anniversary in DR, and they asked us what we wanted, and they listened. Me say if there can only be one derivative to attain, one no more. Morning, there can only be one derivative on the face of the earth. No other company, no other trading platform can do this. Well, probably they can, but so far I'm not seeing none of them. Because if they couldn't do it, then they do it long time. Anyway, so we went to the meeting 2 years ago, and right, and they said to us what we wanted from Derry. We said we wanted trading view and we wanted alerts. Yeah, son. At the same time, I said to them, I have my own strategy on TradingView, so that would be lovely if we could have it on TradingView itself rather than doing it on the derivative chart where, yes, son, where we have to go back and forth. So no more, no extra derivative chart now open for my screen. Good riddance. We have to have a song for that chart then. Me have a song for that chart then. Wait first. Me say me have a song for that chart then. Well, man. Wait first. Me say no more open up on our no other chart runner. So everything is in one place. So that means when me dep a holiday, me can have one chart for everything, for futures, for stocks, for crypto, everything dep on one chart with my strategy. Oh God Almighty, because there is me say people. I'm going to go about, I'm going to teach you how to add on or find it on the trading view chart. So for everybody that doesn't have a trading view chart, you understand? I'm going to drop the link in the group so they can register to trading view. Yes, son. If you have the free, if you have the free trading view, you only get per 3 alerts per every session, per every 3 alerts in total. Right? I have the premium. You don't have to pay for the premium. Only persons who have them strategy, you understand, can pay for the premium. But if persons have the premium and they want to pray for it. If you have the premium and you want to, if you don't have it and you want to pay for it, that's what I was meant to say, and you want to pay for it, is up to you guys. I pay £100 a month. That's a base off of where you're at. Some places where you're there, it can be 80, some places are $100 or £100. So because me have a strategy on there and I do give people access to my strategy, then that's why I have to have the premium. So that's the only way we can add on persons to the strategy. You understand? The price for the strategy, because people start asking me already how much for it. It's gonna be $163. The same $63 where you would have pay for the signals alone, plus the additional $100 because I can't give it away for free. And it makes sense me charge the $63 alone to get my strategy and you understand and get access to the group at the same time. So in total, it's going to be 163. You get access to the strategy. You still get access to the sessions just the same. You understand? If you just want the signals alone, then it remains the same $63. You understand? If you just want the signals, if you come onto the session just the same, just like usual, right? But like me say, this not give out for free, my dear. No, 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 no. Me sorry about that one, yeah. What's the name of the indicator? Kim Possible Strategy. It's, you can find it on TradingView, but you can't access it. It's locked. It's only locked to persons who don't pay, and it's open to persons who pay. Right? Once you pay, you send me your TradingView name and then you get access to it. Morning. I already have TradingView, but it's for futures. And I'm not longer doing futures. How do I remove futures from my trading view and add the derivative? I will get to that in a little bit. May I get there yet? So for persons who do have the strategy already, I will explain to you guys how to find the derivative pairs. You understand? If you have the strategy, then I will show you guys how to access it on TradingView itself. You understand? And then for persons who don't have it yet, to get access to it, the link is in my bio. Right? It's a $163 per month, and I'm not dropping the price on nobody. I don't care who you are. You could have been my mama, my man, my father, my brother, my sister. I don't give a flying F around here. So if you don't want to pay this money, that's totally fine for me. So you make sure you have your strategy money. You understand? And make sure so you have on money in our account. The strategy is going to tell you when to buy or when to sell. At the present moment, at the moment, me I set up the webhook for add the alerts them to this card. Yeah, son. So you see like how for those who did have the strategy already, you see like how persons that I get the alerts for crypto and for stocks and them something there, yes, me I could add it on for the VIX pairs them as well. So rather than I jump up and down and run up and down in the other people group, sit down on the backside one place and watch from the strategy, I learn from the strategy and make the money from the strategy. Rather than have to jump off from my group to our next group, to our next group, to over here so, to over there so, like confused. Right around here, so it'll teach you what's going on in the market, and it's also going to be telling you what to do in the market. You understand? So at this present moment, we're on VIX 75. The alert I could set up from the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame. You understand? So when the alerts go off in a Discord, right, you can get the notification by your phone. All you have to do is come on your trading view. You understand? Come on your trading view by your phone or upon the desktop if you work from home, and you can check if all of the colors them line up. You understand? Right. I'm going to play this song when we finish. All you have to do to use the strategy, all you have to do is literally, right, line up the colors them and take the trade. You don't have to worry about no chart markup. Come here and step forward to the front of the class. You don't have to worry about no chart markup. You don't have to pay me for no chart markup. Everything in a one year so. Now I can go for holiday go enjoy myself. Back shift up over here so. Yeah. No, you guys not fit. If you don't want to learn how to do no chart markup, you don't have to. This I could teach you what to do. So at this present moment, this is telling me on the 1 minute time frame that VIX 75 is consolidating. See it there? In front of no face. You understand? That's all it's doing right here. At the moment, it's ranging up, down, up, down. Now, how do you get into this trade? That's a perfect question to ask around here. Hold on. Let me tell you. All you have to do is wait until you get a break and close above the red box for the buy. Easy, easy lemon squeeze the chicken about and run up and down, pie and run over there. So all you have to do is sit down. Say if you don't have no patience from now, if you never have no patience from before, this I humble you and teach you no patience around here. So all you have to do is wait for your break and close above this red box here. So you understand? Morning. That's all you have to do. Wait for the break and close above the red box, and that's it. Yes, son. Once it push up, you're going to see it pop up and tell us if you buy. Jesus, peace. Me say, people, me say, God bless me. Couple years ago when me decided to make my own strategy because me know say greatness is in the sky. Hallelujah. Praise God. Yeah, man. Greatness did there somewhere. Yeah, son. And this strategy we use it at boom down the place of our futures. Yeah, son. Anybody in there use it good, they know if you use it now. Yeah, son. Some of you have no patience. That's why you now make no money. Yeah, son. You don't have no patience and you work at stop enough and make money. Work is poverty. Yeah, son. What's your indicator called Keepitmoving strategy? The link is in the bio to get access to it. You understand? The work at stop enough and make money. You understand? Now, for those persons who can get it, for those persons who can trade, who can trade futures and who can trade VIX, all per one platform and not for go nowhere else. Yes, son. The futures is connected to TradingView. You can trade futures by your TradingView. And all you have to do is download MT5 by your phone or by your tablet or by wherever. And you literally, as soon as the alert says press buy, you go by your phone or wherever and press buy. That's it. You understand? That is it. right? Somehow no headspace they all over the place, so they can't even focus on something good. That's all you have to do. It literally tell you what to do upon the chart. Yeah, son, that's all. It tell you when to buy and it tell you when to sell, guys. You understand? So all you have to do from here is literally wait for the break and close above. And that's it. So this is on VIX 75 right here. We're going to move on to the next pair, right? So our next pair here, VIX 75 1S. You see right here, so it told us to get in for a buy. Let me show you how you can get in at this trade, trade early. You have everything lined up, yes, green? Yes. Before it get up to the red box, you could have got in for the buy. And that's all you have to do, guys. You get in for the buy, yes, and by the time you push up, you come on your 15 minutes time frame, right? You come on your 15 minutes time frame, and then you put your stop loss underneath the previous candle down here, so. Yes, and down here, so would that be too far for you to put your stop loss? So you literally put it underneath the previous low, right? Right underneath here, so. And that's it. We'll move on to the next pair, right? This was what? VIX 10 1S. Right, let me clear off these things off of the chart. Right, so this trade now, so for example, we did get the we get the buy right here, so right, everything line up. Let me go back on the 1 minute time frame. All right, boom. So we're gonna find 1 minute time frame. So right here, so right, it call out the buy. You wouldn't get into this right now because not never set up right here. We didn't have a solid green candle right here. So you'd have to wait for your break and close above the red box. Boom. Right there, so. You literally enter for the buy. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. All you had to do was enter from down here, so, and hold the trade up here, so. How do you know when to get out? As soon as you see the little warning sign pop up, it doesn't always pop up, but that's one. The next sign you see where you can use to get out is when you see the red box pop up, or when you see the red arrow, or when you see the red line, when the line turn green, when the EMA turn green. That's it. Red. As long as this line down here so is green, you can stay in the trade as long as ever. You don't come out of the trade. That's how it works, guys. So if you're getting in for a buy, you do not get out of the trade until when you see the colors change. It's just like a stoplight. Yes, and when the colors change, then that's when you literally get out of the trade. Right? As in up here, if you're a scalper, this is good for people who scalps. I'm not a scalper, I'm more of a swing trader. So if I did see this from morning and I enter from right here or earlier, all I would have to do was just stay in at this and move my stop loss up in profit. Because this trend line is still telling me that buyers are still in the market. This is on a 1 minute time frame. Let's move on to our next pair. 25 1S. Right, let's go around here. 25 1S. All right. At the moment, we're in a little downtrend on the lower time frame. We're still in our uptrend on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, it's consolidating. Why is it consolidating? Because there's not enough volume in the market. It's going up, down, all about town like Charlie. And all you have to do from here is literally wait until you get the break and close above this box. That's all. You wait for your break and close above this area right here. Once you get the break and close, you enter the trade. This won't happen. Right? So I am about to add on the alerts in Discord. And by later on, we are going to test them out and see how them work. Yeah, son? And that's it. For those persons who want the strategy, link in my bio for VIX. You can only trade VIX if you're in the Caribbean and Africa. So if you live overseas, do not buy it. Yeah, son, if you do buy it, then if you live overseas, we have to transfer you over to futures. All right, so we're waiting for 25 1S to set up right here, guys. So I did call out a buy earlier. This buy is still active, right? If you call out the buy already and it has pushed up and come back down and it hasn't called out back the sell to take out this buy, the buy is still active for us. And that's it. So see it right this on. So if you did see this from earlier, all you would have to do was just line up the colors. You get the buy right here, so you need a solid green candle. You have the two EMAs green, and then you have the green volume down there, so you could get in for the buy on a 1 minute time frame and literally make some money out here, so grab your profit and run. Then when you come back down and set up back again, you re-enter back the trade. You see that? Easy, easy, easy. You don't have to run here, so you don't have to sit down and rely upon nobody to tell you when to buy or when to sell. The strategy is going to be telling you what to do. You see that? Easy. Right. This not ready yet. We're going to circle and come back. Right? I'm so glad for this because I have to run up and down and I switch from time frame to time frame, half on this for that, half on peer to peer. I have to go in there, so, and I save it to favorite and I go over there. So everything the one place now. Everything is at one place. So when I come around here, so now, on the daytime frame, when I normally analyze my trade them, I can see that we're still in our uptrend for 51S. We're consolidating right here. We have a red box above this area, which means that we're literally at a resistant area. There's buyers still in the market. As you can see, my trend line is still green, which means that we're still in our uptrend. Yes, and the EMA is green as well. There's a little bit of buyers in on the day candle. What I'm going to do from here, yes, and is drop down to my 1 minute time frame. I can also use a 15 seconds time frame to enter this trade. 15 seconds. Yes, when you have the premium, you get 15-second time frame. So as soon as we get this set up above here, bear in mind, we can now set alerts. Big up, Deriv. Hey, bro, morning. So now I can go on my 15 seconds time frame, and all I have to do is wait for 51S to break and close above the red box for us to get in, because remember, it's down here, so now it's below our green box, so we have to wait for it to come back out of this little area right here. And that's us right there. So if you know why well, not everybody can use 15 seconds. So when we work with the 1 minute, because if you do get the strategy, you guys are going to have the 1 minute time frame upwards. But I can use the 15 seconds, which gives you early entry, which gives me early entry into the market. So may that enter the market quicker than you guys would have enter up on the 1 minute. Yes, son? Yes. Hi, Mari. So that's how it works, guys. Easy, easy, easy. You understand? Easy, easy lemon squeeze, and that's it. All right. So that's pretty much it. All right. Hold on a second. All right. So to find the VIX pairs, guys, sorry if I missed, what's the price for the VIX strategy? It's the same, it would be the same price, Mari. If you already have, but you already have the strategy already, Mari. The price is for persons who are on the outside. So your base, you have it already. So it's just the extra. It's just the extra that you would pay if you already have it already. If you have yeah, you already have it, so you're good to go. All right. So it's just for persons who are new on the outside who don't have it yet. It's 163 for them on the outside. All right. So here what happened now, guys. For 51S, we're waiting for it to set up right here. Yes, son. Like me say, it's easy to use, guys. And then what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to add on the alerts onto Discord. So may I set that up today? Hopefully we can get all of them. Me not add on everything, Yeah, so I'm just going to add on the main ones. So like 51S, 25 1S, 91S, 75 1S, 100 1S, step 100. What else? Me not add on all of them. Just a handful of pairs may add on to the alerts. Yes. May I tell you big things? I've been telling them. I did tell them for 2 years ago, but they never believe me. I said to them that it would be coming on there, my strategy. I could be on TradingView with VIX, but they never believe. I think sometimes the people them underestimate me, them underestimate me for true. Yeah, son, them things said they just get up and say, oh, we're just gonna do this and time is the master. Yeah, man, time is the master around here. I am so excited because everything they I want marry. Futures over here, so VIX over here, so stocks over here, so BTC, crypto over here, so per one chart. You understand? But I join you till now you made some. Yes, I'm telling you. Listen, how far we are coming from now? Far we are coming from. Me I tell you, Mary. Far. Me tell the people them say already. You say if they stick with me, they make money. But them the things I lie me I tell them. True. If they stick with me, they make money. Yeah, son. If they stick with me, they make money. I'm telling you, right? All them have it. No, we can't set alerts. We can't set this. We can't set that. We can't set what if things run here so. Yeah, son. We not have to sit down now we chat over we chat for the whole day again. Yeah, son. We can put on with alerts and gone but with business gone go cook and as soon as you hear the alert pop up on your phone, you go enter the trade. You don't have to sit down and wait hours. I'm telling you, you don't have to sit down and wait hours for the trades to set up. Like, for example, when we used to use the derivative chart, now we don't have to open no extra chart again. Everything there saw. Yeah, son. All right, look at 51s now. Right? You see the strategy stuff we buy right here, so? Now, yes, we can enter the buy from here, but because we're almost to our resistance, we're not getting in for the buy right now. We are waiting for the break and close above the red box. Remember now, guys, una learn while una earn with the strategy. Yeah, son? You're learning while you're earning at the same time. May I tell you? Yeah, son? No, I was just talking about the strategy itself, right? So for those person morning, so for those persons who have hold on a minute, so I could drop this up in the group. Wait there. Me say Deriv no know where them come to run here, so. I tell you the truth. Me say Deriv make my life so much easier. Me say, remember me tell you that me did manifest. Me say me soon stop teaching now. Yeah, man, me soon stop teaching. I see that. By the day me say it, at the same day Deriv come out with this something. Because whenever I get the exact date when we did go to Bahamas the other day, we didn't get the exact date of when it was gonna be ready. Right? Get into 51 years to the buy, guys. Whenever I get the exact date of when it's gonna be ready, but them say it's gonna be ready soon. I'm saying, Jesus Christ, I'm crying. Me say, why? Me say, look at that. Nice. All right, so me this me I could do trading view. All right, boom down the place, yeah, so. All right. Which one there? There's something there. Hold on. Me think we did post it as the other day. Hold on. Oh, yeah, see it here. All right, so the free one and download trading view app. Download trading view app. Right. Copy. All right. You see all of the people in bad TikTok start fret now, you know. Cause them say, Lord have mercy. What is now? They go put it on trading view and Kim have our strategy. I know the people that go chat me. Me dear, I know they gonna chat. You can hear my mouth, my name there all over the place like a plaster per wall. Me dear, them all say Jesus, Kim come fi take away customer, Kim this and Kim. But that people if they want to move, they move. If they want to stay, them stay. Yeah, son. But say people cannot tame me now. That's how it go. Morning. All right. So what did they know? Right. To add on the VIX spears, right? To add on the VIX spears to your chart, guys, right? For add on the VIX spears to your chart, you're gonna somebody just subscribe. Thank you very much. Send me a message for the person who just paid. The Zoom not working. It's not working. It should work. Hold on. Let me get it back again. Copy link. It should work, man. Let me see. Paste. Try again. Probably on your internet. Oh, you subscribe? Okay, all right then. Let me follow you back so I can send you the link for the Telegram chat. All right, thank you. All right, so here we go now, guys. Let me show you guys how to get the pairs them. Right? Shanika, was it you that was asking about the futures pairs? So you can take them off, delete all of them off of your chart since you're not doing futures anymore. It's saying waiting. Hold on. Let me check. Hold on a second. I don't know why now. Why me not soon pop up around here so? What I want to do this is something here. Hold on there. You sure the right link you press on? Because I'm not seeing you in the waiting room. Check again. If not, come on. If not, go on my YouTube. Let me see. Waiting. Oh no, no, have to sign in. We have to sign in first. Either sign in or sign up if you don't have Zoom. Right. So we just see somebody we just let in somebody. So you guys don't have a Zoom. You guys don't have a Zoom. You have to have a Zoom account for coming in the live, guys. And the Zoom meeting. So you have to either sign in or sign up. That's why I'm saying waiting. I just let in somebody. All right. So let me start over from scratch, guys. Right. So for those persons who are brand new to TradingView, right? What's gonna happen once you click the link in my bio and pay, all right? Or if you're in the group already, I can drop the link in the group, right? What's gonna happen is that I am going to add on. You have to create your TradingView name. Sorry, and send me your username. Once you send me your username, then I will add on the strategy for you. Right, the people that just come in. Right. So once you send me your hold on. They can just copy the ID from the link and enter it. Right. So once you send me your TradingView username, then I will add on the strategy for you, and you're gonna see it pop up on your chart like mine. Right? It's gonna look a slightly little bit different. I mean, tweak the lines them to make them smaller. Right? So once you do that, I will add it on. It will be on your screen like this. You understand? So it's easy to add on. To get it on your screen, right? I will get to that in a little bit. Once I've added it onto your screen, onto your chart, I mean, all you need to do is click on indicators, right? And then go to invite only, right? Go to invite only, and then you're going to see where it says key possible indicator and key possible strategy. Yeah, son. Shanika, you asked the same question about 20 times, and I said I will get to you in a little bit. Right. Patience, please. Me work with patience around here, so. All right. So once I add it on for you, yes, son. See if I have Jesus. Hold on, guys. Right. As I was saying, once you click on it and add it onto your screen, you have to have a laptop or a desktop though, guys. It does not work with phone. You cannot use the phone to add on the strategy onto your screen. It's only when you add it on, then it will pop up on your phone on the TradingView app itself. All right. So just to get that clear out there, you have to have a laptop or a desktop to add on the strategy. If you don't have one, get somebody to log in for you or get one family member laptop or family member laptop or desktop to use it and add it on. Once you add it on, then you don't need to worry about it again. Right. How this works is a monthly subscription, which means that the day that you pay, so for example, if you pay today our date. If you pay today, which is the 25th, it's going to come out 28 or 29 days after. You understand? And around the same date that you paid. That's how it works. You understand? Yes. Because remember, I said some of them want them now have the full 30, some have 29, some have 28. So it takes it based off of the calendar. All right? If it's a point where you do not pay or your payment bounce back or whatever the case may be, you understand the strategy is going to cut off by itself. It's subscription based. But I'm here to this, I got to answer some questions around here now. You know, so when I put on the strategy on MT5 itself, we were figuring out how we are going to set up the subscription base. Yeah, son, that's how I said, but Dave never tell we nothing. They never tell we when it going to launch. Yeah, son, so that's why I end up creating and putting the strategy onto the MT5 itself. But we did figure out how we are going to get the subscription for the MT5 for set it up for the MT5 for the people them. And see that? God answer we question and we answer everything that one word. And so God is good, God is good all the time. Right. So to get the derivative pairs, back to this now. To get the derivative pairs, you're going to go to your watch list. Right up here, so you're going to see a plus sign. Right? You're going to click on the plus sign. You're going to come to indices. Big up derivative 1 time, 2 time, and 10 time around here. You're going to come to indices and you're going to scroll down until you find derivative. The broker is going to be right here. Yeah, son, if you want to type it in, you can type it in. Yeah, son, if you want, just type it in. I don't have to go scroll all the way down the song. Right? But sometimes when it not gonna pop up by everything. So VOLAT ATIL. Right. So once you type in volatility, right, you're gonna see the derivative pop up right here. So Shanika, I hope you're paying attention. So you can do the same thing. So click on watch list. Make sure you delete all of the previous pairs them already. Right? So you don't get confused. You're going to go to your watch list, click on the plus sign. When you come right here, you're going to click on indices and just type in like you could type out volatility and you're going to see derivative pop up right here. So derivative there, VIX 75, 25. You just click on the plus sign to add on the ones that you want. You guys want to know when me trade already, because I'm going to trade everything around here. So I won't be putting on everything on my charts. You understand? Me just add on a few on there. All right? I just add on a few on there. So I add on 75, 1 is 25, 51 is step 100, 101 is and 91 is. That's all. Me not trade the whole nation, world and 20,000 pairs. I stick to a few. Yeah, son, I think me add on 10 and 10 1S for those persons who have, Yeah, so that's slightly smaller account, but that's about it. So you only add on the pairs them that you want on there. You understand? Then once you add it, once you have the pairs them on there, they're gonna pop up over here, so to your right hand side. Over here, so to your right hand side. Right? For those who have the strategy, it will look like this on your screen. For those who don't have the strategy, it's gonna be a naked chart. Yeah, son. Back to what I was saying again. Not everybody I could have time to go mark up charts. Yeah, son. So if you don't have a strategy, you're literally back to square one, as in if we were trading on a normal trading view for derivative. The only difference would have be around here for those people who don't have a strategy is that they can set the alert. When you have the free version, you get 3 alerts for free. You understand? So 25 1S, 51 S, 25 1S, 51 S, 75, 75 1S. All right. Morning. I call out 91S, but not for everybody, because not everybody have enough money in them account for trade 91S. Yes, I'm a trade it personally for myself. So 91S on step 100, I trade it personally for myself. But for everybody else, 25 1S, 51 S, 75, 75 1S, 10 and 10 1S. Right? For everybody else, me have those on the chart, and then the extra 2, those are mine personally when me trade for myself. All right. So as I was saying before, if you don't have the strategy, it will look like this with a naked chart, just as how it was naked on derivative itself, right? So if you still don't know how to mark up your chart, yes, everybody excited about the alerts, but the persons who are excited about the alerts are people who can mark up them chart already. So even without using the strategy on my chart, we can still come around here and learn how to mark up my chart just the same. You understand? But not everybody can do that. So that's why I'm glad the strategy is now available with VIX. So those persons now, where yes, I'm too busy and they have no time to do this or to do that, they can come around here. The strategy will tell you when to buy or when to sell. Right? Everybody in a 51S, guys, the strategy will tell you when to buy or when to sell. And then I can add on the alerts via Discord. That I can make it 10 times easier for one or two. So the alerts is going to pop up, and let me show you an example of the alerts. Hold on. Come like show now. Right. Don't go and enter the trading in the meantime, guys. 51S for the buy. All right. Hold on a second. Let me reshare back my screen. I'll show you guys. Where's the Discord? Discord. Hold on, the Discord. When you close it? What under the Jesus is not going on here? Hold on a second, guys. Hold on then. Discord. Oh, see, done so. I'll put it there so someone can find it. All right. All right. Everybody in the trade, guys. Everybody in 51S to the buy. All right. So let me give you a snippet of how the alerts would have pop up on here. This, may I tell you, say, this is a game changer on this, you know? May I tell you, God is good all the time. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. Woo, I cannot. Right. You guys can see my screen? You guys can see my click on share the entire screen. Hold on. So you guys can see this. Screen 1. Entire screen. What kind of nonsense is this? Oh, did I see it? Hold on. Share. Right. You guys can see my screen, guys? For those who are on the Zoom. Let me know if you can see. Yes? All right. Nice. So, when you hear the alert I go off around, so that are the alert pan trading view itself. All right. So when I set up, so see me set it up here, so VIX alerts. So guess what's gonna happen? each time when we set up the alerts back, when we set up the alerts in a little bit, each time a pair comes up, each time it calls out a buy on the trading view itself, it's going to appear in here. So, right? So let me show you an example of how it would look. So you see, for example, like right here, I'll go up on a forex pair, like right here, so it says to buy GBP, JPY. I just saw everything burned down, you know. You see like right here, so it says buy GBP, GBP, JPY on the M15, which means the 15-minute time frame now. All persons had to do was leave from here, so go upon the trading view chart, either upon their phone or upon them laptop or upon them desktop. Find GBP, JPY, upon the 15 minutes, see if everything line up green, and press buy. That's all. You understand? So with the VIX pairs now, right? So for example, 51 is called out for the buy, and it pop up in here. So it'll tell us say buy 51s on the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame. Yes, and all you have to do from this now is just left from here, so from around here, so because you're not going to use these alerts to enter the trading, because you have to check if the color them line up first. You're going to leave from around here because you can get the notification on your phone. Whatever phone you're using is going to pop up on your close screen. Yes, and or it could pop up in your notification somewhere by your phone when you're out and about. You don't need to be on a laptop or a desktop for that. Yes, and all you do is go check on the TradingView app and then go back on your MT5 and press buy or sell. That simple. So we are going to go back around here, so now on the TradingView chart now. Yes, and say for example right here, so let me use this app for your example again. Right here, so it's if you buy 51s. Everybody with me so far? It's a buy 51s, and all you have to do, guys, is literally left from one of the alert pan Discord, come back around here, so check if everything line up green. You basically ask yourself the same question. Everything line up green? Yes. What I mean by if everything line up green, let me teach you around here, so you have a solid green candle, the buy is there, the two lines are green, and you have green volume. Hey! That done it done for around here. You hear me, sir? Done it done for around here, so. So everything line up green? Yes. Yeah, son? Remember, these are volatile periods. You understand? So you can enter a little bit early. And you basically enter the trade, right? And all you have to do, if you're under the 1 minute time frame, if you're under 5 minutes, bear in mind I'm on the 15 seconds time frame. So this will move a little bit faster than usual. Yes, and everybody's supposed to be in a little bit of profit. And all you have to do from here, so now, if you want to set stop loss, you go by your 15 minutes time frame. And look here now. By your 15 minutes time frame, you're going to put your stop loss underneath the green box. No more guessing. Oh, where do I have to put my stop loss? Oh, well, I don't know where to put my stop loss. Everything there, so guys. Be a boom down a kagalang around here. You can hear about people make money. We're not going to hear about people make money around here, so. And we find the sauce. So you enter the trade on the lower time frame, and you go by your 15-minute time frame and set the stop loss and left it. Clap it up for Jesus. If you want to put TP, come here. Come here. You put the TP right there, so. Right at the red box up there, so. See there? See there, so? Stop loss, TP. Your stop loss go underneath the green box, your TP go above the red box. And it done for. Shake the boat and you left it trade and go on about your business. No, we're going to get down to the nitty gritty now. You guys are going to ask, how do you know when to get out of the trades? All you have to do, when you see the colors change, it's just like a stoplight, guys. When you see the colors start changing. So say, for example, the market will push up all the way up here, so and you reach up to the red box. As soon as you reach up to the red box, and you see this with the EMA there, when you see this EMA change color to red, because now it's green. When you see it change to red, when you see the red arrow pop up at the top right here, if you see a little warning sign. So the example of the warning sign here. If you see the little warning sign pop up, that's your cue for you to come out of the trade. So let me show you an example right here now. So like right here, 51 is called out for your sell. Remember market I showing an example. So right here, so 51 is called out for your sell. You want to get into the trade yet until you get a solid confirmation candle. So here's I call out for the sell. It's not ready yet. You're going to wait until you see a red candle. You're supposed to have your red box, your word sell. You have the two lines green, and down in this section, you have red volume and the red candle. You could have take this. I'm on the 15-minute time frame, by the way. You could have take this down for the sell. Look here. Me say, Jesus is good. Right? Look here, so from here, so come all the way down here, so you cannot take your make money there, so. How do you know how to get out of the sell and get in for the buy now? Aye, good question. So you can make money both ways. Make money going down, make money going up with the strategy. Here we go now. The red, you see the candle start, start fade out. The green box pop up right here, so. Right, so the green box pop up right here to let you know that you reached to a support. Right? The warning sign pop up telling you to get out of the sell. Buyers are now coming in. The green arrow pop up to let you know that buyers are here. The EMA line start turn green. Aye. Then here, oh, you can enter the trade here a little bit earlier than waiting on the actual buy to pop up. Listen to me now, man. Bear in mind, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, so me are teaching you how it works. So let's say you wanted to enter the trade a little bit early. It's you. Hold on, man. You can mark it and drop down to the lower time frame and show you something. If you wanted to get into the trade a little bit earlier, you can drop down to your 1-minute time frame. And look over here, so. I'm showing you what I'm going to John shop. Right? Which part we there? Right, so. Right. So if you wanted to get into this trade a little bit earlier from the sell, right? Look here. So the green arrow pop up right here, so. Let me zoom this out. The green arrow pop up right here. This is a green arrow that was on the 15-minute time frame. Now me drop down to the 1-minute time frame. So now it's telling you that, okay, Kim, you're on the 1-minute time frame. Get ready. Right, so. Yeah, Sanka, remember the sell already play out. You reach to the green box, which is your support. It's not going any further than this. 51S is not going any further than this. So guess what's going to happen? It's telling us that here you go. Here's a green arrow. Green candle, right? Green EMA, right? This line is not ready yet. Down here, so you have a little bit of, yes, a little bit of green popping in, but the volume are not up yet. So how would I get into this trade early now, Kim? Right? Nice question. I'm going to delete everything else I show now. Good question. So you would enter on this second candle, which is your confirmation candle. You understand? You can enter on this second candle on an early entry. So you see when you guys always ask me, how me know if you enter the trade up early? Because me catch them from early on the second candle. As soon as me see support set up, me enter early. Now the strategy, I tell you what to do, yes, so. Pan Vic Spear now. So we enter on the second candle right there. So by the time the buy call out up here, so we already in the trade in a profit. So by the time the market push up, then the buy start to call out. This is the line that activates the buy or the sell on the VIX Spears them. You see that? Everybody with me so far? Let me know if me I go too fast or me I go too slow. It's recorded, so I'll put it up on my YouTube. So this is the line that activates the buy or the sell for the VIX Spears. So this now, I'm going to tell you if you get in for the buy. And so I push up, but we are already in the trade. Let me go back on the 15-minute because this is a 1-minute time frame. Let me now go back to the 15-minute time frame and show you how you can in the trade from a little bit earlier. Hold on here. Right? Everybody's supposed to sell in the trade. Look at this. So from here, we entered on a 1 minute. This is where we're at right now. Yeah, son? You wouldn't have to. Hello, people. I don't know what we get through this a gold mine. You wouldn't have to come out of the trade, none at all. Even if you pull back, you're not coming out. Why you're not coming out? You have the volume bar down here so to tell you what's going on. So this is one confirmation. This right here, so, which is your EMA line, is the second confirmation. Here walk up be your third confirmation now. You see when this can go push up and close above on the 15-minute time frame and be above this line right here, so. Hey, I don't need, we don't have to come out with trade now every minute, in, out, in, out, in, out. Well, me never used to in, out, in, out, in, out anyway. But see, for you guys, you can swing on a trade a little bit longer. Come out of the scalping mentality and start swinging a trade. Me say I done it done for around here. Me say wash on the hand and turn it over there, so. Done it done for. You see when them two lines they meet up here, so, and the buy pop out, you can swing this as long as you keep buying, you stay in at the trade. As long as the two line them green, a beer boom down a go on here, so. Beer boom down a go on here, so people. You don't have to jump out of your trade and jump in and jump out and jump in and jump out. This strategy I could tell you when to stay in. As long as the two EMAs are green. You understand? And that's it. So if you want to use TP, you can use TP. If you want to use SL, you can. If you watch a trade by your live by your phone or by your by the chart, by your laptop or your desktop, you put a stop loss underneath this green box right here. So and I use that. You don't have to set no TP. No, so I don't like use TP already. Put your stop loss underneath the green box, and that's you done for the day. Boom, move on to the next trade. And that's it. So you have your support box, resistant box. Support box, resistant box. It's teaching you what's going on in the market. So when you take out all of the guessing game, you don't have to sit down and wait and keep to do a session. You guys can enter the trades on your own. Is that done for you, so? You can hear about me around here. I know them attack. I know the people are going to talk. We'll move on to our next pair. So our next pair, watch out. So a good example here. So look at 75. So a good example here. So down here, so you see which part the buy there? So no. You see which part the buy there? You guys didn't have to come out of the trade. The line, I tell you what to do. Buyers are in the market, you stay in for the buy upon the 15 minutes time frame. You not come out of this trade, none at all. You're in at the trade from morning until evening, as long as you keep buying. Me said Jesus a boom down session a galang around here. See that? You enter the buy as soon as you get your break and close. Bear in mind, you're not going to enter up in the 15 minutes. You're going to be entering on the lower time frame. As soon as you get down to the lower time frame, you enter up on the lower time frame and you come on the 15 minutes and watch a trade. And you got to cook, you got to do this, you got to money you make by your phone. 7 days a week, 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days for the year. Pan VIX, yes, so. What are you talking about? So who do we pay for the subscription? You are there a journalist. No, you pay me for the subscription, Queen. The link is in my bio to get the strategy. I say I miss no question, no any question. Because I'm teaching you guys. When me in my teaching mode, I not really check by TikTok, you know. Do you trade VIX? What kind of question them here? You know, so see how VIX we are talking about as a reservoir? What you name here? Me don't know what kind of question that. You know, so see how VIX we are talking about. But you're not listening, you know, you're not listening. Azurura, what your name, yeah, look at that, we can't even talk to you right now. I know your time right now. Right. So let's say we wanted to get into VIX 75, and we are got back test on this. Let's say, yeah, son. Yes. Let's say you guys wanted to get into VIX 75 this morning at 4. This morning, is a white as a Friday. Okay, Friday, 4:30 a.m. Right? Come on, know what I show that them the time. But anyway, we're working what you say. So let's say you wanted to get into this trade. Guys, come here. All you have to do is drop down to your 1 minute or your 5 minutes. This is how I go enter the trade them early. Come here, so. Look here, guys. No. Let's expand on this so you can see what go on. All right. So. Come here, so. Bear in mind, me call out VIX 75 last night in up on the old chart them. Yeah, son? Yep, on the old chart, me call out VIX 75 last night. So see it there? So the buy did pop up on the 15-minute time frame right here. Right? Now let me show you how you can enter the market. What's the price? The price for the strategy, link in my bio. Right? So look here, so guys. So this is where the buy pop out on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute time frame. So this is where you would have entered the market early. So as soon as you see the arrow right here, you wait for your second confirmation candle, which would have been this candle right here. Right? Because remember, you wanted this candle to close above the two lines. The two lines, them have to, you understand, have to turn green before you can get in. So right here, so you have your solid green candle, you have your green arrow, you have the two lines, them green, the EMA and the trend line, and then down in this area, you have your green volume, which is green. You're going to enter, once this candle close above, you're going to enter early before the buy pop out. So right here, so you enter on your second candle, which is your confirmation candle. Don't mind these look red where pop up. You're not matter that. At this line you work with, that trend line here, this is what's telling you what's going on in the market overall. Right? So don't worry about this EME and the red pop up and green pop up and green pop up and red pop. Don't worry about that. You're still staying in the market. Right? So once you end up on your 1 minute, you're then going to go back to your 15-minute time frame. Watch me now, people. Watch me now. You're going to go back to your 15-minute time frame. I see that. Aye. Praise Jesus. Hallelujah. And you wouldn't have to come out of the market. None at all. This a trading view that say from 4:15 a.m. Friday. From 4:15 a.m. on Friday, you wouldn't have to come out of this 75 trade. You stay in there the whole day. Hallelujah. Are you seeing it? The trade still buy? See it there? The trade is still buying. Why you not coming out? Anybody can tell me? Why wouldn't we wouldn't come out of this market here? Anybody can tell me when we just tell you now? Why you're not coming out? From where we call out the buy to where the market is right now. Why you're not coming out of the trade? Let me see if I did a lesson. Anybody? Why wouldn't you come out of the trend line is still green? Praise Jesus. Wanna get it? It's just like it's just like as if you would have go over here so draw one trend line. Right? So trend line here. See there? That's what my strategy is based off of. So when people ask me, say, oh, you don't use trend line, oh, you don't use this, oh, you don't use that, oh, you don't use it. But strategy have everything on it. You have the EMA and you have the trend line already. So when me I draw trend line, when me I mark up my chart for make it look like current book for. Everything is on there, built in to the system. Hallelujah, praise God. See that? Everything there. So as long as this trend line, me delete this one here, because this one that makes sense. As long as this line is still green underneath the price, you're staying in the trade. So from 4:15 a.m. on Friday, you can have been in at this trade the whole day. Bear in mind, remember say VIX, you understand, consolidate in and out and in and out. Let's say if you wanted to secure profit, instead of closing out the whole trade, because you enter from down yourself, all you have to do is move your stop loss up in profit. Yeah, son. Move your stop loss up in profit, or you left it and go on about your business. Or you left it which part today? Yeah, son. And The market are going to go up and down, up and down. Remember, so these are algorithm computer numbers. And that's it. And bear in mind, we are going to use this every day. So you guys, as the more no company sessions, and the more I can understand how to use it. If you know, me I could do one-to-one with the strategy. So for those persons, yes, I don't need a little bit more extra help. We are going, yes, and jump on one Zoom and me teaching how to use it one-to-one with that the price. So when I get access to sessions multiple times a day, right? Live sessions, training, yes, and how to use it and everything. Yeah, son. Remember, so with VIX about 3 sessions we do per day now. Right? For those who are do futures, are same 3 sessions per day, same way. Right? Plus one-to-one in between. Yeah, son. So for those persons who do get it, you get extra support. Yes, and plus me have videos from YouTube, me have videos from the school platform, me also have videos in a Discord as well, right? Where teach you how to use it from scratch. No, but I watch a video one time I say and I understand. Watch it over again until I get it. Yes, son? So when we dip on my holiday now, everybody can use it on their own. Praise be to Jesus. All right, me go check back on 51S now. Where 51S day? Hold on. All right. It's one next trader, one next bad trader where they call out this morning. Me test it out this morning. I think I'm still in there, you know. He call out for your buy, me enter, still a push up. Me I tell you, so guys, me say, derive create history around here, so history class. Yeah, man, history class create around here, so. Right. 51S. When they call this out earlier, I kind of consolidate a little bit. So we're going to walk along the John shop. Me they call out the stop loss for 51S, guys. Me no remember. Right, the stop loss for 51S is 318,409.64 for those who did enter it already. If it did enter, only if it did enter. If you don't enter it, then don't enter it. All right, so come on here. So I want me to call it out somewhere along this line right there. So I think that's what me call it out. So you put a stop loss underneath the green box, give it some space, and I use that there. So all right. I'll go come down here. So like this now. All right, come down to my 1 minute time frame. I can use the 15 seconds time frame as well, right? But the 1 minute is more ideal. Let's go back to 75. Beautiful push up to Jesus. Let me clear off these. All right, so you see that I'm on the 1 minute time frame now, and we get a break and close above the red box. We're getting a little push down. So remember me telling you, if owner knows say if it's secure on a profit, when you see the EMA start change color, so from green to red, when the arrow pop up, right? And when you see the red candle start coming in, and you see the volume line down here, so start change color to red, that's how you know when to get out of your trade. You understand? If you want to get back in now, you wait back for everything line up back green. Guys, it's that me say, are the simplest thing this pan VIX right now. Me I tell you the truth. Simple, me not selling no dream run so. Cause you know me see already. Yeah, son, we're not selling no dream run here, looking like a nightmare. We are selling the dream looking like a dream. Hallelujah. Martin Luther King said that. He never said a part but he say, I have a dream. Anyway, so for us to get back into 75 for the buy now, we need everything to line up back green. Right? At the present moment, the trend line is still green. Right? But we need back this EMA to be green. We need back some green candles. We need back a green arrow to take out back this red arrow. Yeah, son? That's how it works, guys. And bear in mind to buy for much do you know? Right? And that's it. It's that simple. Me say, them don't know where them can do run here, so. Me I tell you the truth of God Almighty, me I tell you. Yeah, son? All right. Me go up on 25 on this now and see what I got in the John shop. So we're going to delete back this. All right. So as you can see, remember me tell you so the strategy tell you what's going on the screen. All right. Consolidation. Up, down like Charlie Brown. We did not get a solid break and close above here. Yes, and so it come back down in the box. All you have to do, we not even have to mark up on the chart. All you have to do is wait for the brand new candle to come and close back above the red box. Right? Once you do that, then it will call out back the buy because there's a seller right here, right? But we're not getting in for no sell. There's a sell right here, so now we need back a buy if you take out back the sell, right? One I could cancel out the other. Sell I could cancel out the buy. Buy I could cancel out the sell, and I saw it go on, and so on, and go on, and go on, and go on. You understand? If the 1 minute is too fast for you, you can use a 5 minute time frame. Yeah, son. If you don't want to use a 5 minute, you can use a 15. It's up to you guys. Me personally, me like how me have the premium on here, me use the 15 second time frame. Because me I look for me need a sniper entry into Jesus. You know when them say you shall be going up to heaven soon? Yeah, me want God heaven because in Jesus if soon, soon, soon. So I'm gonna drop on the 15 second time frame for me, and then I wait until me get a sniper entry into heaven and take it in. But for you guys, it's gonna be from the 1 minute upwards. Yes, son? Yes. So if you don't want to stay up on the 1 minute, you stay up on the 1 minute. And all you have to do, yes or no, rather than you sitting down and have to wait, guess what come here? We're on the global trading view. All you have to do is click on the little plus sign right here, so, and press pan add alert for volatility 25 1S. And go in the kitchen, go do what you do and come back. When you hear the alert go up, beep, 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 you know what's the 25 1S ready. You see that? Nice, nice, nice. We don't have to use our C trader. We don't have to use this. We don't have to use that. Everything there on one chart, yes, so. Everything is on one chart. Me say, beer boom down like a galang this year. Me say people are gonna make money so till we weak people. But they already have make money now, but we are gonna make more money. In the mighty name of Jesus, hallelujah. You see it? Nice, nice, nice. So we don't have to sit down run no chart, no 2 hour, no 10 hour, no 15 hour, no 16 hour, miss all of the good opportunity them. No, we set alert now. Right? Well, for me, I can set unlimited alerts because I have the premium. Yeah, son. For those who have the free version, then you can only set 3 alerts at a time. I only need 3 pairs, by the way. You said £1 25 1S, £1 50 1S, and £1 VIX 75. And when they cross over your alert, you know it's your time for your charter set up. And that's it. Me say. I drink some water, yeah. I'm thirsty. Me dear? All right. What the person that would just pay again? Was it? I forgot her name to Jesus of his Christ. Hold on. Let me check. Let me check. Oh my God, send her miss. Claudia, are you in the free group? Are you in the free group? Let me know if you're in the free group so I can send you or send me a DM. Yeah, send me a DM. You create the Telegram you create the your trading view already. So send me your trading view name once you've done it so we can add on the strategy for you or you can start making money on your new strategy on trading view from today. And tomorrow, Sunday, every day. Praise Jesus. So now we're waiting for 25 1S to set up, guys. Once you hear the alert go off on 25 1S, then you know that it's ready. Now, how do we know when we can get in? Watch and learn. Watch and learn. So we have a green arrow pop up right here, letting us know that buyers are coming back into the market. I want you guys to listen and watch what's going on. The green arrow has indicated to us that buyers are coming back into the market. Now look at this. There's a green arrow there's a green candle right here, but it's on our red box, on our resistant box, right? We're not ready to get in yet because the second candle has to be a strong close above the red box. It's not there yet, right? You hear the alert go off? That's 25 1S alert just now. You add the strategy. Okay, you have to send me your trading view name. I'll add it after this. All right. So you look what's going on now, guys. So pay attention. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. We have 3 seconds left on this candle. We need a break and close above the red box. Boom! Buy 25 1S. Ah, it's yo. Are we that, yes, so? So you see that? Nice, nice, nice. So you get your second confirmation candle right here, so that pops out with the buy. Solid green candle, break and close above the red box, buy, green volume are coming, and we in for the money. See that? Nice, nice, nice. So all you have to do right now is now move from the 1 minute time frame, go up on your 15 minutes time frame. Listen to me now, man. 15 minutes time frame, and you come around here, so, and you find the previous structure. If you cannot find the previous structure, scroll in, zoom in your chart until you see our next green box or our next red box, and you put a stop loss right there. So, I say, come this one, use it, man. Everybody in the trade, 25 1S to the buy. See, that's all. You enter on your 1 minute, come back by your 15, put your stop loss underneath here. So if you want to give it space, you can give it space. If you want to put it there, so you put it there. So, you understand? A little bit away from the current moving candle. And then you set your trade and put your stop loss on, and you that. You don't have to use no TP. You only set stop loss and you left it there. So everybody's supposed to, 25 1S now. You see that? Uno now, I literally just take out the guesswork for Uno. You don't have to mark up no chart. You don't have to sit down and wait for nobody to tell you when to get in and when to get out. The strategy I could tell you what to do, people. Now here we go now. Let's say you're a scalper, you want to stay up on the 1 minute time frame. Come here. So you're a scalper, you want to stay up on the 1 minute time frame. You can do that. Stay up on the 1 minute time frame, but somehow no art not too strong, so nobody stay up on it. You can then go to the 5 minutes then. Right? And you can watch what's going on the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, son? From the move from yes to yes, depends on what size you use. If you want to come out here, so you can come out, you can use this as TP. So if you want to put one line here, so and mark it out and put the TP on your phone, you can do that. Right there, so. For the 5 minute time frame. Right? If you want to go back to your 15, you can go back to your 15. Right? And I do that. If you want to scroll in, zoom in and find one next TP area, you can do this as TP1, you can do this as TP2, that's all, right? You can scroll on again until you find some more box, whatever the case, or whatever you want to do it, you do it so. And if you want to go on the 15-minute time frame and watch it, you watch it on the 15-minute time frame. See that? I just made it easy for y'all. For y'all, for the people that want to attack America, for y'all. And you set it and forget it. You understand? No more running up and down. Oh my God, Kim, me miss the session. You have the strategy. The more you use it, the more. You understand? The more you use it, the more you can understand it. Come here, Leo, today is Saturday. Don't let me tell you about your mother. Come off of this. I know your time. You look shine over here, so take a look here. I don't want class you in idea here now. Come off of this. Come off. I could look for your girl and come and your woman. Sure. Anyway, and that's it, guys. That's it. You understand? If you don't want to set no TP, you don't have to set none. Right? Me not use TPs, guys, to be honest. I don't. We just put on the trade and set my stop loss and I'm going to do what I do. Right? Me not have to sit down in front of the chart and I watch it like, yes, son? Then I come here and watch pat up on fire. We just set it and leave it and meet this all. Right? So we in a 25 minutes to the buy. And what else we know? Right. We call out 51S. What 51S? I pull back a little. All right. VIX 10 I pull back 10 1S. Missy 75 1S. This is consolidate. All right. So the strategy does work in a consolidation market, guys. All right. This is 75. All right. So we drop down to the 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame. It's up to you guys which time frame you want to use. I would say stick to one time frame rather than for you jump all over the place. Yeah, so if you want to use a 1 minute, you use a 1 minute. If you want to use 5, you use 5. You understand? Yes, it's up to you guys. To me, the 5 minute time frame give you more, you understand, more of a sturdy entry more than the 1 minute. For those persons who are not used to trading. You understand, you can use a 5 minute because you understand, you know you have to sit down and wait every 5 minutes at a time for a candle. Rather than have to wait for the 1 minute and the 1 minute go up, down, all about town. You understand? So you can do that. It works lovely on the 91S. Right? So see the 91S here upon the daytime frame. You can see that we have our support box right here. It did call out a buy. This was on the 2nd of April. It push up, it come back down. So you see the little red arrow right here. So now our green arrow pop up. I'm sure what I got again. So our green arrow pop up, right? On the let me see, when was this? So this was on the 23rd of April. So when you see the green arrow pop up on the daytime frame, this green arrow is valid for the rest of the days them. You understand? So this is telling us that Kim, buyers are getting ready to come into 91S. Get ready to enter on the lower time frame. All you have to do is drop to the lower time frame, either the 1 minute or the 5 minutes. And all you have to do is literally just wait until they get to set up. So let me show you what I go and run with the arrow. If they farm me there, Jesus Christ, go look here. A long time that. We'll go up on the 15 and me find it. Hi. You see this? Look at this, guys. So see the green arrow, see this is the line when we mark on the green arrow on the day. You understand, for that date. Now it did push up, right? Cancel the date. You could have made money off of it same way. Right? You could have made money off of it same way. See that? Look at this, guys. When me tell you say preciseness. One of the things we are boom along the place running over the futures them. Preciseness. Right? See there? The green arrow there right here, so on the lower time frame, on the 15 minutes. Right? Now you can chop it down further on the lower time frame just the same. But let's say you're going to enter on the 15. You would have entered on this candle right here, so. Right? So this would have, remember I said these candles not closed yet. So you want a candle that's closed above the two lines. So you could enter right here, so on this candle, right? The market push up, come back down, bounce off of the trend line, pull back up, and then it just take off from that. Look there. Right? Now you could have secure profit up here so before you pull back down. Yes, and you could have always re-enter back somewhere. Once you get a break and close above the green box, you re-enter back and look there. Just went straight back up in a profit. Yes, son. So you can secure, you can re-enter back multiple times off of 91S. Right? Step index. Let's visit step index around here. So then here what the best thing about this now. I can now view the monthly, weekly, daily time frame on the same chart. So this is the monthly time frame and step index. I can't say nothing wrong about Jesus. I see it's Jesus in the sky, yeah, so. So this is step index on the monthly time frame, guys. Look there. This not even reach nowhere. Step 100 this. This not reach nowhere at all past step 100. Look here. See the monthly time frame. See the monthly candle here. Monthly candle have 5 days left in it. Look there. It not reach nowhere on the monthly. No, me not go up on no MT5. Me not go up on no MT5 on the desktop. Me not use the MT5 on the when me download. Me not use none of those things. Everything the one place. So step 100 not reach nowhere yet. Nowhere it not reach. It come up here so we can pull all the way back down here. So on the monthly time frame past step index. Step 100. Me have to do for me so is literally drop down to the day. And yes, and I chop it up around here so. So this is it on the day right here. Look there. Beer consolidation. This not gone away. This not gone nowhere, guys. Nowhere at all. Look there. Call out the buy multiple times. Call out the sell. Call out the buy. Call out the sell. Call out the buy. Yes, I know myself that buy is still valid. Right? So the arrow pop up right here on the day for yesterday, but it's still in between the two lines, the two EMAs. Today they can't go do nothing at all. Beer nonsense that beer consolidation. right? But let's say now you want to go down, go chop it up, right? And get in a little bit early. We can either use a 15-second time frame or we can use the 1 minute time frame. And let me show you something. Look here. Watch out. So let's say, watch here. Kuya. Come in like Cape Town. I say kuya when you see me with the fire. Right? So look at this. As I'm on a 1 minute time frame now, guys. Look here. Look at this. So me I tell you now, VIX good for trade consolidation market. So look here. It call out a buy right here. See it there? It call out a buy right there, so you wait for your break and close above the two EMAs, the two lines. So instead of entering right here, you enter right here. So upon this candle, by your couple candles down, right? Because you need this line to be green, you need this line to be green. This already green down here, so and you enter from this candle, and all you have to do is go back by your 15-minute time frame. Watch out, guys. This is past step index, you know? Step index. And if you enter from down this up on the lower time frame, you would have still been in a trade up to now. Me you know who can trade step index. We are gonna call it out already. Me are going there, me there. Me now make no money pass me around here. So hey, me say I gotta make some money. Me not think me I go sleep no, clot. And no me not go sleep. Hi! Jesus of Nazareth. And no me not go sleep on my bed. You know see what they're doing here. Morning! I know me not go sleep. Them this time me couldn't sleep, I know me not go sleep. Mighty Daniels, I know me not go. Me say, for you enter the trade from yesterday, guys, you wouldn't have to come out of the trade, none at all. None at all, you know, come out of step 100. All you have to do is literally enter from your up on the lower time frame and literally stay in at the trade and move your stop loss up in profit. I know me not go. Me say all day today, all day tomorrow, all day next week, me a trade. Yeah, man. I mean, have to come out of me in and out. No, this a tell me when to stay in. My trend line has tell me when to stay in at the trade. Yeah, man. I'm telling you. So see it there. So all we have to do now, right? We miss those entry down the south out there. All we have to do now is wait for a nice break and close above the red box, and we in for the money. Wait for the break and close right there, so. All right. It's coming up. Do not trade this unless you have $100 or more in your account, guys. This is on step 100. And that's it. You don't have to worry about no marking up and no chart, no what up go on. You don't have to wait for nobody. Guys, for telling no when to enter the trades them now for VIX. You don't have the sauce, yes, so. You don't have the sauce right here. You guys now have to sit down and wait for nobody. For telling no, oh, guys, session is at this. You don't trade whenever you want. You can trade morning, noon, and night without waiting on Kim. The sessions, right now, the sessions are just extra sessions. God know. Right now, me doing the sessions, them is just extra sessions. You can come on this chart any time of the day, come trade anytime when you want. I'll follow it to the T. It tell you when to buy or it tell you when to sell. Yes, son? All you have to do is follow what the colors are doing. Right. The yellow on the chart, it means to wait. Ah, yeah, boom, down, so get ready for step 100, guys. Get ready for step 100. We have 6 seconds to go. Right. By step 100. See how easy that was? And me never have to mark up no chart. Nobody never. Everybody in? Kuya, me I tell you if you enter, me no enter. What are the kakaklata galang pan is to and shop here? So come here, man. Right, step 100 for the buy. Step 100 for the buy. All right, come here, so. Me I tell you if you enter, me no enter. What are we gonna cause this pan John shop here, so? No, me dear, step 100. Oh yeah. So on your platform, guys, on the MT5, it would have show up as step index. Just the one that says step index. That's the one you want. Right, me in the trade. So you see like how we enter on our 1 minute now? All you have to do, look, read my lips. So when I cast my lips, what you want to read it, same way. All you have to do now is go up to your 15-minute time frame. Go up to your 15-minute time frame, and you're gonna put your stop loss right underneath the green box right here. Darlings of darlings. Right? And then if you want to use TP, you can put a TP right above the red box right here, darling. Why? I'll boom down the nation. I'll boom down the whole world like everybody around here saw. And that's it. You saw how easy that was? I just made it easy for everybody that wants to do VIX. That's why they call me the VIX queen around here now. Because me I tell you, so me just make it easy for the world I want to know. Easy. You see that? And if you want to put in your stop loss or your TP, you can put it in. Everybody is supposed to know. No, me can do a little bit more. Yes, an MT5 training we don't know. Yes, son? The stop loss goes below your below your green box. So you see where the green box is right here? See the green box there, so? You put the stop loss underneath. Anywhere underneath. Anywhere underneath. If you want to give it some more space, you give it some more space. If you want to put it right there, so you put it right there, so. Me leave it right there, so because the candles are up there. You're not going to put the candles, you're not going to put the stop loss on there, so. Because one pullback is stop you out and go about the business. The green box is there because it's a strong support area. You understand? That's what it's there for. If you listen, then you will understand what I'm saying, okay? So because the green box is right here, it's showing us that this is a strong support, so you would need to put your stop loss underneath the green box, okay? All right. Everybody in the trade, stop loss is 795.9.0 for step 100, step index or step 100. Well, I don't know, find the song now. I didn't want the song now. So that way up on the song for load up your song. Right, see the song, yeah. So we get rid of one chart. I never Vanessa sing this song. I'm granted, kuya. Right, any questions in the meantime, guys? Any questions? We soon go look for some more trade. Right, everybody's supposed to be in a little bit of profit pan step 100 already. If you did enter. We entered the trade already, darling. We entered the trade already. So this are the good results to get rid of the old derivative chart. This are the new chart now. Hear this.
Thank you, Jesus.
Right.
Get green out of boy.
Oh no.
Get green out of boy. My chance is in my life.
Oh. Amen. We now use the old chart again. Amen. Trading view we are deal with. Amen.
Keep boy
Oh,
Amen.
all right.
This boy want follow me go
Everywhere.
You gonna be like me, a
Baby, yeah.
Eat me for nothing when me don't
Right.
He's the man for run away.
No.
And woman know what you want
All
to say.
right.
Pack up your things
And want to say,
I ain't even up in a me
fiance.
fiance. Come me touching my keep me. We never hear some free.
Some people run us about them.
But me know God real. That's no problem. Prayer can heal.
Right.
Me did love you for real.
Come here, no.
Me did love you for real.
All right.
But you do see I feel me stand with you forever and ever and ever. Amen.
What?
It's the one you're coming.
Oh no.
Amen. And you are in a bed tonight. Amen.
Watch out.
It's the one you're coming.
We are you.
Amen. And you are in a bed. Every man when me start feel dry, I can't. It's me in a crowd like I'm a dog. That's why me can't stop here till last star. Right now you can't do me nothing. When you hear say me gone in a rhino yard, me must get a piece of it like abroad. The Lord himself knows the time so hard. So you send a new man in a me life. Me never hear so me feel.
Alright.
Me never hear so me feel.
What it that's a Gaza Kim? Yes, what it that's a Gaza Kim, right? So everybody's supposed to be in a profit, and that's it, guys. So you see how easy it is to use a strategy. Now, how do you know? Like my mama say, how do you know when to get out? You have multiple options, right? First of all, as long as you see green volume down here, so as long as you see these two lines green, you can see in the chart the whole day, 2 day, 3 day, 10 day, 20 day, 40 day. 40 days and 40 nights. That's one. Number two, as soon as these candles, because by the time we reach up, there's a couple candles, well, by the time the candles reach up to this red box, sorry, right? And you see one of these symbols, either the red arrow, or if you see the one of the lines, then would have been up here at the time. If that turn red, that's number 2. Or if you see the warning sign, that's number 3. Yes, and the red box would already be there. So by the time the candles push up here, so, and you're seeing rejection. Rejection means there's a possible pullback. So by the time if the candles push up here, so, yes, son, and you see one of the line them reach all the way up here, so it tell you say, here a time for come out of your trade now. Come out of the buy. As long as these 2 lines are underneath the price, right, they're still green, and you see green candle still a push, and you see volume. You see the volume a push up? This I tell you we said this I could push up for the rest of the day. Unless something happen and the candle come all the way back down so. Then that's why you have the stop loss underneath here so. Because most time it will come back, retest back the green box and then push back up. Right? If you push back down further than below the green box and hit the stop loss, then you understand you wait for it to set up back. But for now, step 100, I'm looking to stay in for it in the all the 2 day, 3 day, it will buy this up. As long as the 2 lines are still green, I'm still in the trade right throughout the day. And that's it. You know, if I guess nothing on, oh my God, me have to sit down and wait until one professional come mark up the chart and none of that. Everybody can use it themselves and that's it. Right, so that's one trade there. So 51 is still there, so I play about, right? Bam. Oh, we forgot, so we did in that 25 one. Oh yeah, me never ate. Jesus Christ, go look here. Why you never tell me? Me never ate that 25 one is. Mighty God of Daniels, come here. Jesus, please, come here. Me get enter. Yes, me get enter. Wait. Don't left me yet. Cool, yeah. Then no. I almost make it trade. God left me and me not enter. Watch, yeah. Oh, God, I cannot bother with myself. Woo! Murder to Samantha. Right, so we in a 25 1S, we in a step 100, and we in a 51S. We are look for what extra trade. And that's it, guys. You see that? No worry for long guessing and no marking up on no chart and wait down this and wait up this and wait down everything on this chart, guys. Everything. Right? For those persons who ask how to get the strategy, the link is in my bio. You get access to it for 1 whole month. 1 whole month. The price for it and the VIX the futures is 2 separate price, 2 separate group. Yes, and 2 separate group. If you still want to join the signal group on its own without the strategy is the CM63. If you want it with the strategy is 163. You understand? Yes. That's it. All right. Let me see what I go on yes or no. All right, VIX 75 now. We're going to drop down to the 1 minute time frame again. The 1 minute time frame is the sauce, you know. It's the sauce of our sauce. All right, so you saw 75 I buy from Friday, and it's still buying up to now, right? We have the red box right here, so it did call out a sell, right? The buy soon call out just now. Wait a little bit. Me want uno use the strategy, so me want use the strategy so uno can know how to use it. You understand? Me don't want to do anything. Me just want uno learn how to use the strategy on its own. Me don't want to tell you no when to enter earlier. You understand? Me want uno sit down and wait for the buy if you call out, and then you wait for your second confirmation candle. You understand? So even though that candle is pushing up, we're waiting for the buy to pop out because the buy I forgot replace the seller when they pop out. Yes, sir. Yes, son. Now you can enter a little bit early, but we want to know how to use it on its own. Yes, son, by sitting down and waiting on the buy. All right? It only calls out the buy when you get the second confirmation candle. Buy. Now you can get into 75 for the buy. So you saw as soon as the second candle pop out, the buy pop up right here, so because that's how we set it up with the strategy. You understand? Nice. So you see like how the buy call out right here? This buy, when we set up the alerts in the Discord, you can hear the alert go off in the Discord as well. Yes. So by later on or by tomorrow morning, it not take long. By the time I done add on the couple pair them, because I do all of the pair them. By the time I done add on the couple pairs them as with the alerts, by later on them finish. Yeah, son, by later on they add on. Right. Everybody in, guys. VIX 75 for the buy. VIX 75 for the buy. And us done. That's us finished. So you come back by your 15-minute time frame and you do what? Your stop loss. In this case, right? You have two places where you can put a stop loss. You can either put it underneath this box, which is where I would put it because there's space, or you can put it underneath this area. This area. Yes, and so it depends on you. In my case here, so we're going to put it right underneath this box right here. So because there's a little bit of space from where the candle is right here to here. You understand? Right. Then we're not using TP. All right. And I'll read that. Everybody in, guys. VIX 75 for the buy. Nice, nice, nice. So we know. I know saying everybody can take this, and everybody could have trade the steps. So I leave it there. So now, if you want to target somewhere, like I said, if you want to use TP, you zoom in your chart and you see where the highest previous resistant box is. So in this case, all the way up here. So if you did want to set TP, see there? You see that? And as long as this keep pushing up, you're in the trade for all day. This a buy from Friday morning. From Friday morning. Remember, so me call it out in the chat now. If you guys are in the free chat, or if you guys are in the free group, look on the trade when me drop in this morning, the after trades them. I called out VIX 75 after I come from party last night. I did after, yes, after. Right, let me see. See that? VIX 75, see that so? So, I made it in the while I'm out of the door. So, yes, you understand? If me did set this up from last night, I didn't have the VIX pair them for me something last night, we could have still do a club and make money. Me wouldn't have to come out of trade none at all from Friday morning or from Friday night. We wouldn't have to come out. So you push up, come back down. Remember now, round here, so you say, oh my God, me have to jump out of the trade and get back in. With round here, so you not jump out of nothing and get into nothing. You would have seen that the trade from morning, whole day yesterday, Friday, whole day, up to today. You wouldn't have to come out of the trade, none at all. Because the trend line still hasn't changed color. Yes, son, the trend line still hasn't changed color, guys. Yes, copper candle pull back and it go yellow one little time and then it pull back up. But as long as it's still green and no red, no poppy in there, you're still in the buy. From Friday morning, come straight up to now, and it's now 4:19 p.m. at England. So we could have in a one trade. We could have in a this trade from early in the morning, from 4 something, come straight throughout the day, Friday, into last night, into today, into now. One trade. When I tell you say VIX is the mother of all mother around here, so the things I drop me I make. Now you can make money off of VIX. All right. Any questions? Any questions in the meantime? I got add on the strategy for a few people now. All right, for those persons who are asking how to get the strategy, link is in the bio. Link is in the bio. Link is in the bio, right? So we're in 75 for the buy. We're in 25 1S for the buy, right? Push up a little bit and come back down. 51S is there playing about. That's all right. That's how I call it extra trade. And then we're in as step 100. Go about the business, me there. Go look at some more. Did anybody take the step 100? Anybody took those step 100 trade? Step 100 go about the business. Like me say, if it keeps buying all day, you stay in the trade. You're not come out none at all. You're not come out none at all. As long as the lines are green, you're staying in the trade. That's all. So I just made it easier for everybody. Everybody make it easier for. That's it. So, we have 2 persons for add on the strategy for me, I could add them on. But that's pretty much it, guys. When I have a come around, when me have to come around here and mark up no chart, I don't want to mark up none. For what? You know, see a soft girl error life, me there. What I work gonna cause this? Me I get up every morning and stress out myself and mark up chart every morning. Me can't even stay in my bed and call out the trade phone now. Yeah. I can lie down in my bed and call out the trade them phone now. Guys get into this, guys get into that without marking up no chart. Me say big up to Derry. Big up to Derry. I tell you the truth, me say the Derry is the best thing since sliced bread. Lovely, lovely, jubbly. Me dear. Me say best thing since sliced bread. Remember them sing one song say, we set the trend. Yeah. Boot right there so. All right, guys. We're gonna jump over the Zoom, guys. We're gonna download the video. And that's us for now. So later on when we come on for the session, over yes we are there. Over yes so. Then we can literally stay over yes now and tell you in the chat say stay in this trade, stay in that trade, stay in this trade, stay in without coming up none at all and just moving the stop loss up in profit. And that's it. That's it. You understand? You don't have to jump out and jump in and jump out and jump in. No. Link it at the bio for those who want to get it. You understand? And I do that. So for this weekend, we could do, you understand, one look trial, you can come on, you understand, and take 1 or 2 look trade down and see how the, basically I test out the strategy too. Because I use it for call out the trade. You understand? Yes, nice. All right. Look there, nice. Everybody's supposed to in a profit past step 100. Me dear, gone, look at some amount around here, so gone. Right? See 25 when I say take time and push it back up, watch out. Watch out. Everybody's supposed to in a profit pan 25 when it's too. Kuya. Everybody's supposed to in a one Kim pass. Remember go find my team song for now. Wait. If everybody will ask me when me get the Kim Possible name from, let me tell you no. I better know about Kim Possible. Sure. I want to watch no cartoon. I want to watch no cartoon around here. Yeah, this. Your basic behavior. All right. I'm here to speak for you know. It's not nothing. I said, but what? There is nothing that can change. All right. And say the cuts just know that I am on my way. All right. Doesn't matter where or when there's no. If you just call my name, impossible. Only the thing you want is all right. But you need me, baby. I'll let me back. You wanna be doesn't matter where. I will be there for you till all right. The very end. Danger, I'm there on the double. You know that you always get impossible. So what's for six? If you wanna be sick. I just saw this. I didn't see the song come from. What was that, Mari? I cannot. Yeah, that's how I get this tragedy here from Kim Possible. I want to join in on the futures. Send me a message, K-Con. Yeah, I'm send you the link. May I tell you, me say boom down round here, so you're not supposed to get a profit, you know? Pan a Saturday, you don't come make money run so for free, pan a Saturday. For free of charge. See there? Look there. What me just said to you now. As long as this keep pushing up, as long as the two EMAs are green, as long as the you see, honestly, the volume. Me not think now pay attention to the volume on this. I don't think y'all are paying attention to the volume you saw. Let me zoom out this one you can see. Honestly, the volume. This not reach nowhere yet. Look like you never see when me just go up on the monthly time frame. This you have chart and not reach nowhere yet. A crumbs we are make. Crumbs. It not reach nowhere. Crumbs. Let me go back on the monthly time frame and show you what I'm run a John shop you saw. This market not reach nowhere yet. So can you imagine if we don't have this strategy? We don't have to come out of the chart, none of the trade, none at all. It's still telling us to wait on the low and the higher time frame. Bravo. The monthly candle did push all the way up here. So look here. See which part of the week there? It did come all the way up here. So come week at 8,086 and pull back down to 7,987. I don't think y'all understand what I'm saying. Yeah, son, you're my belly. Me need to go eat some food. Me not think you understand what I'm saying. So we are catch it down here, so by the time we come back up to 8,086, everybody's just supposed to still be in the same trade. Now come out, moving the stop loss in profit and hold the trade. And that's it. Anyway, guys, me I go look some food, you know. Mari, repeat your question, Mari. If y'all want me, you can reach me on the telephone. Yeah, son. No, comment in my comment section and then me message you know. My comments are on, but my DM is off. So if you don't want anything, the link is in my bio. For the futures, I can put back the futures link in my bio as well. So the futures and the VIX plus the strategy, the link is already in my bio right now. For those who want to get the strategy. For those who want futures, send me a DM. But that's it. I'm going to go flyer and put the price of everything on it so everybody know what's on Navi. Yeah, son, on Navi, come go ask what's the price and where and say. So I'll make the flyer and put it out. That's it. Over the weekend now, no, then a weekend now, what about this? Sunday, yes, tomorrow I could do a webinar on how to use a strategy for make money per VIX on TradingView, and that's it. Yeah, son. That's pretty much it, guys. So everybody's supposed to be in a profit. Oh, you send me a message on Telegram? Okay. That's it, guys. So, like me say, if you don't want in a life easier, when I come off of this now, how would this call me? Alsmere, England, United Kingdom. I don't know who that. So I must want scammer. So when I say I go do now, I can't remember what I say. Right, so I go do the alerts now, guys. I go add on the alerts. Hi sis. I go do the alerts now. And then once me do it, then I'll let everybody know. So I can add on the strategy for 2 persons and then that's it. Do you know how to find the derivative password? I don't remember mine to connect. You can't connect TradingView to derivative to TradingView yet, Shanika. You did ask in the chat and I answer already. Yes, it's not on there yet. They've not reached so far yet. They have to take it one day at a time. I don't know if they will do it like how them have the peers on there. I don't know if at some point they're gonna do it. Yeah. So if they do that, that would be very, very nice. Because we're gonna do everything by one platform. When I search broker, let me check. Hold on. Let me use my phone. So this, that. Connect another broker. Search broker. Deriv. They do tap your fool. What you not say to me around here, so? Hold on, let me see it. Deriv broker. Broker login. Oh, I never connect. Miss something. Oh, it says beta mode, so it's not ready yet. Yeah, it's not ready. Beta mode means it's not ready. I'm gonna try to see if I can log in and see if it work. See if it work on my. Yeah, but the beta mode means it's not ready. Yeah, if it's not connected, then that means it's not ready yet. They're still working on it. But if they do that, hey, that me said this would that be an extra scrumptious bulla ampere. Yeah, but, so the place would have boom down. Cause everything, me say everything with that trade, everything run as so. Futures broker you can connect to run as so. And the broker when them fix it up and connect to you so. Me kaka. They will not trade all day, all night. We not come out and no trade. Me rotted. And you know, I'm glad about with Deriv though. We can trade fix right throughout the day, right throughout the night. So we don't have to close no trade. Hey, we have to find one position for we don't accountable. And we just stay in all day, all night, all day, all night. And that's how we are trade. Me say, boom down round here, so people. Boom down round here, so. Yes. Me I tell you, with that boom down for true. Boom down session with that galang round here. Yeah, me try logging, but it not log me there. It's still the on beta mode. Yeah, they must have up in a life like a picture. Alright, guys, I'm gonna jump off. I'll still be on TikTok, but we are gonna jump off at the Zoom. Alright, so Shanika and the Claudia, send me your trading view name and me add on the strategy for you. Let me do that first before me start set up the alerts. Alright. Later on, guys. I'll see you guys later on for 7 p.m. for the next session.